Hey YouTube, today we're going to be working on the 82 Collectors Edition, and what we're going to be doing is the carpet set in the car. So we did the door panels last time. So the first things we're going to do is we're going to remove the seats, and on this car you got to get the bolts from underneath. They're right there. Those are the bolts for the seat. Pull them out and go from there. Okay, so pulled the seat out, and while we were getting ready to start, we disconnected the battery because we're going to be leaving the door open for a while. First things first, just remove this side piece here with 4 Phillips head screws. Then I'm going to remove the side kick panel, and I'm going to pull off the stars to get the seatbelts out. Okay, the Torx for the seat belts are a T50. So, got that. I'm going to take them out now. Then take out the kick panel. There's just one screw right here. And then from there, it just pulls it out. And if you look here, is one of your body mounts to pull the car off the frame. What I'm going to take out is this centerpiece. There's 3 screws here. That'll drop down. This is wood. I've got new wood to replace it for this car because that wood's broken, as you can see, and it has to get glued onto the new the carpet has to get glued onto the new panel. Okay, carpets are out for this side. That's just a like a quieting or a heat shield, whatever you want to do. It looks uglier than it is. There's really nothing wrong with it. It's just a little deteriorated from age. I'm gonna run the shop vac in here real quick, clean all this shit up, and then go from there. Okay, I have the carpet set down with the side piece. I have this seatbelt in. What I did is I went underneath the car and I got where the holes were for the seats, and I just circled them out, cut for the wire there. So I'm going to cut these out so the seats will be able to go. Got a little trimming to do here, and then I can get this piece pretty much in. So I have it basically trimmed in. Here's all the holes for the seat. Got the seat belts back in. This piece is sitting right. It's all sitting right over here. This section I got to figure out. This lays over. That's not me. They cut that from the factory. I don't know why they cut it like that, but whatever. It'll lay right. So that's where we are. I got to go to the store to get some adhesive glue so I can do the wood piece, the side panel on the back of the seat. Okay, so the new piece. This is old. You got to pull this back. This is all factory stuff. I'll clean that all up and get it off. At the factory, they use this almost like a silicone kind of garbage. Just take your thumb and kind of pull it back and it'll come off. It's like rubber cement. Okay, so we turned the car around the garage. It looks like it's going to rain outside. So driver's side is done. Best as you can see it. Driver's side's done. Seat's all bolted down. Haven't done the back yet. Now on this side, the seats bolt from the top. I guess because they're not power. So that's what I'm doing now. I need a longer extension to get above the seat because it's hard to get an angle on it. So Greg ran downstairs to go get one. Okay, so got the seat out. As you can see, this was the car from the 80s. Some cassette decks, stuff. I don't know, pretty gross carpet. So as we did the other side, we take the seat belts off, take the center thing out, take the kick panel out, pull the carpet. Okay, so I pulled out the carpet, got to vacuum it yet. Basically, I did the back of the seat real quick. It's because it looks like it's going to rain, so I got the back of the seat done. Looks good. All in there nice. Now, like I said, I just got to roll the vacuum in there. I'm doing the kick panel, and there was a piece that was pop riveted on. I don't think it's supposed to be pop riveted on, but it was. So I'm unpop riveting it. Or I did unpop rivet it. and Greg's cleaning the piece. Okay, the second side's in. Doesn't look bad. Looks good. Obviously I got to get a new set of mats. Those other mats don't even match this car. But this side kind of went in a little nicer. And then tomorrow I'll do the back. I'm too tired to do it today. So I'm gonna stop here and I'll finish tomorrow. So. Okay, so I pulled the back carpet out of this. Nothing crazy. Two little pins to hold the strap for the T-tops. Pulled the speakers. You can see those brackets are broken. I'm gonna try to get them back in. Look for them up at Carlisle. I mean, I can maybe get 2 to hold in. The storage compartment's broken on mine. I ordered a brand new one, so that'll be here Tuesday, and I'm just going to lay the carpet in, so that's where we are. Okay, so I'm at a quick stopping point for right now. What I'm going to do is let the carpet lay out. The storage compartments aren't coming in until Tuesday, and it's Saturday, so I'll let it sit out. This way I don't cut anything before it's all laid in, and I know that everything covers. And then I'll just, slice the spots for the T-top storage holders, and the front piece for the T-top holder as well. And then at that point, then everything else is there, and I obviously have to cut for the rear hatch pull. So right now I'm kind of glad that I did this. This is the correct carpet for it. What was in it was not. This is not the correct even pile for this car. So someone had changed it over the time. For a while you couldn't get this carpet or the door panels. You couldn't get the door panels because you couldn't get the carpets. So I had to wait a year to get it. So glad to have them. And again, this is just so my wife can drive it without wheezing. So like I said, I'm gonna leave it for right now, and then Tuesday I'll finish it. Okay, so basically I finished the rear of this. I really didn't put it on camera. I did the speakers back here. Obviously I glued on the stuff, hung them again. I cut the little spot there to get the T-top storage there. Mounted the front thing there, and cut in the latch to open the back. I did have to change the storage compartments. These come pre-assembled from Top Flight or Corvette America, whatever you want to call them. The other ones were completely broken. You have to change over your locks. No big deal, it's one screw on the bottom. Sit everything in and done. This carpet fit really nice by just letting it sit in the garage. I mean, it's over 100 degrees. It just kind of molded to everything and looks pretty good if you ask me. So I'm pretty much done with this car now, or the carpets and the door panels and stuff like that. I also changed the front door handle bezels just because they were all tarnished, or all the chrome was off of it. So once again, thanks for watching. This was 82 Corvette Collectors Editions carpet set install. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Maybe you learned some stuff. I don't know if I might have not put a bunch of steps on camera, like the gluing, which was really no big deal. I used the 3M trim adhesive. Basically the biggest trick with that is you spray both sides, let it tack up, and then basically touch them down. Once they touch down, it's like a how do I say it? It's like pressure touch. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.